So this guy is climbing up. This is the first part, processing Sopi. He's got to get the fruit to get the water, the juice. Bapak sudah pernah jatuh belum? Oke. Oke. So what I collected from the tree, you can see the foam. It's all in this little hut, and then it is cooked here in this drum. They put the heat and the steam, which goes through this this pipe here, and goes through this tube. If you can see the pipe there, it goes through this cooling process. It's all water. And then it comes out at the other end through this pipe. So this is the Sopi machine. So I asked them how they put the juice in. So he's trying to open the drum.
The oven.
The oven, yeah. This is the first part of the distillation. So there's the hole. Jadi masuk dari sini, juice-nya. So he puts the juice in there. It gets cooked from underneath with heat, and the steam that rises from this drum goes through that pipe and it's cooled with that water and comes out at the other end, and that's Sopi. Hello, Mr. Hog. How are you? I like to eat you. The kids. There's a baby one over there. Piglets. Itu Sopinya? Oh, okay.